A teenager charged in the death of a 15-year-old Millington girl is now out on bond. Hello, I'm Greg Hurst.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Skurlock. WREG's Bria Jones joins us live after speaking with the victim's parents who say they want the suspect off the street before tragedy strikes again. Bria?
Well, Greg and Stephanie, the teen girl's parent, says she no longer has a voice, so they must speak up until justice is served. Ever in her parents' hearts, David Reedy says wearing his 15-year-old daughter Haley Reedy's ashes keeps her with him at all times.
It's hard. I mean, I'm never going to talk physically to my daughter ever again. Close my eyes, Haley's not there. It's a struggle every second of the day.
Millington police say Haley was shot and killed at a home on Clear Creek Drive in mid-September. Today, the suspect, 18-year-old Seth Walls, appeared in court where he entered a not guilty plea. Initially, Walls told police he, Reedy, and another teen were sitting on a couch playing with his gun when he walked away. However, according to court records, Haley was shot in the back of the head, and it was determined by investigators Walls pulled the trigger. Her mother, Brandy, says she's never met Walls, but doesn't like what she's heard about him.
They met from another little girl around the corner. He's known for bribing the young girls to come over, watch movies, eat pizza.
According to an arrest affidavit, Walls is also facing charges for allegedly assaulting a teenage girl at his home just weeks before Reedy's death. With Walls out on bond, Haley's parents say they plan to stop at nothing for justice.
I think that she would want him off the streets to protect all the other young girls out there.
He's cocky now, I feel. I can see it in his mugshot, and he's going to do it again to another girl. And that's what scares me to death.
Now, Walls is currently charged with reckless homicide and reckless endangerment. He's now out on a